Okay, so here we have a 21-year-old Fence Hog. It was the 136th Fence Hog we ever built. It was in 2003. By the end of this year, we'll be over 2,000 Fence Hogs. I would venture to say that this one probably has had over 1,000 miles of fence put up just by looking at it. But our friend Travis at G&S Fence sent us this back and wanted us to rework it. So what we're gonna be doing is putting new cylinders on, both sides, new cylinders. We're gonna put a new skid steer plate on the back, new hoses, new fittings. And then over here, we're gonna put a whole new stretcher bar on, because when this Fence Hog was built in 2003, all the chain link fingers, all the stretcher bars that you see, it didn't come with that back then. It was just a drive forward arm. So this was handmade, and we're gonna get him a new one on there. This, you know, back here 21 years later, where it was built, just is a testament to the kind of equipment we build and the durability and the longevity of it. You know, all of our equipment is built like that, specifically the Fence Hog. And we're looking forward to going back out and put up many more 1,000 miles of fence.